Hello, good day. I'm Boy. In the previous lesson, we talked about find index, and now for this tutorial, we talk about flat method in JavaScript. So, what is flat method? Flat method is used to flatten a nested array by concatenating a sub-array into a new array. It creates a new array with all elements of the original array and recursively flatten any nested array to be specified depth. So let's have an example of our what you call this flat method. So in our flat method, we inside of the flat we have an optional parameter inside of this one. So the depth level. So the depth level is specifying how deep the nested array should be flattened. If not depth, it's provided the default depth is 1. So here, here we have an example here. We have a numbers and we have an array and nested array inside the 3, 4 and a nested array 5 and a nested array 5 and 6. So in this example, we have an array called the numbers, yeah, and then it contains the both top level elements and nested sub arrays. Use the flat method to flatten the array. Since no depth is specified in our flat, yeah. The default value of this is 1 and it flattened the top level subarrays. So the result flattened array is stored in our flattened numbers, and if when we console.log and run our code, as you can see, the output will become here. Yeah, the output become a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and sub array 6 and 7. Yeah, we receive a nested sub array. Since in our flat we said that the default value of this one is 1, so it removed the 1 depth value dito. But if we put number 2, and let's check this one and run it. So as you can see, all the nested array automatically remove. So yeah, I hope I explain and give you the example of what is flatten method in JavaScript and how it works. So if you have any comment or suggestion or feedback, just comment in our comment section. And that's it. Thank you and bye bye.